Travis here and draw ski goggles.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies. You ready to start?
Yes.
Because we're using our Art4Kids Hub markers to draw and color with, we're also using marker paper to draw on. This helps keep our markers lasting a lot longer.
Yeah.
But also remember, you don't have to use the same supplies. You could use whatever you have at home or in the classroom, like a pencil or even crayons if you want. Okay, let's start by drawing the shape of our goggles, the ski goggles or snow goggles. And we're gonna draw it really big, and we can even turn this into a self-portrait. And there's some other fun things we can do with this lesson too. So first, let's draw the shape. We're gonna draw the part that goes over the nose right in the middle of our paper. So I'm gonna kind of draw, almost looks like an upside down V, but it's curved instead of pointy. Then we're gonna extend out to the left and also out to the right. So this is the bottom of our goggles. This lesson also reminds me of our Oculus lesson. That was really cool too.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna draw the shape that comes up the side, and then we're gonna draw a curve that comes up the side to match also on the right. Then we're gonna connect the left side over to the right side, and I'm drawing kind of a rainbow line that curves up and then comes back down. Yeah, that looks really cool. Okay, now let's draw the frame for our goggles. I'm gonna draw the same shape. We're just gonna trace around the exact same shape that we already drew, but smaller so that it creates this frame going around the outside of the goggles. Also remember, you can pause the video if you need extra time during any part of this lesson. Now let's draw the strap for our goggles. We're gonna draw a little rectangle shape that comes out, down, and then back in. And then we can repeat that same rectangle shape over here on the right to match. That's a really simple way to draw ski goggles. Now we need to add things to make it even cooler. So let's turn it into a self-portrait. I'm gonna draw my chin right here. We're gonna draw ourselves wearing the goggles. So I'm gonna draw a line that comes down over for my chin and then back up on this side. Now we can draw the top of our head. You could also add a helmet, or you could draw your hair, or you could even add a snow hat. I think I'm gonna draw a snow hat. So I'm gonna draw it coming up like this, or we're gonna get really close to the top of our paper. And then I'm gonna draw a little pom-pom on the top of my hat. Oh, and also I could draw the bottom. There we go. Now, what are you gonna add for the top? Are you gonna add a hat or draw your hair?
I'm gonna draw a beanie.
Okay, cool. Now let's add the nose. I'm gonna draw my nose like this, and just a really simple line. And then also I'm gonna draw my mouth screaming because maybe I'm I'm going really fast down the mountain. And I'm gonna draw my teeth and also teeth down here and the tongue. Now you can change this any way you want. You don't have to draw it like me. You can, yeah, that looks awesome. You can add more things. I'm gonna color in the back of my mouth. Now let's add our ears. I'm gonna draw a curve that comes out, down, and then back in, and then the same thing over here. Backwards C on this side. And also you can draw little details too for your ear if you want. I add a little wiggly line inside. Now let's draw the neck. We'll draw two lines coming down from our chin. And then I'm gonna draw a V shape to connect. Oh, and we can even add, maybe this is a coat. I'm gonna draw it coming around like this and connecting. This could be the hoodie. Or you could also draw a scarf. You could add all kinds of different details. I'm gonna draw maybe like this, 2 lines coming down on this side, and then my shoulders coming out on both sides too. So I went kind of fast because I'm adding my own details, but you can change it any way you want. We did awesome. We finished drawing our ski goggles. It looks really cool, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take that extra time to color your drawings. Oh, and one more detail we need to add while we're coloring is the reflection in our ski goggles. We can draw a mountain and, oh, maybe even the ski slopes and some trees. You can add anything you want. All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Our drawings are looking really cool. We're almost finished. I thought it would be fun to show our art friends the reflection that we're gonna draw so that if they want to follow along, they can. So we're gonna draw with our blue marker to draw the details in first. So over here, I'm gonna draw a tree. Let's see, I'm gonna draw like this, and we'll add the other layer. So we're kind of added these evergreen trees or Christmas trees. I'm gonna draw another one that's smaller. And I'm gonna draw 2 trees over here also. I'm gonna kind of make this look symmetrical since I'm trying to make it look like I'm going down the ski slope. I'm trying to dodge these little trees on the sides. You could draw a tree right in the middle of your goggles like you're gonna run into it, but that wouldn't be good. And also make sure you have a helmet. Okay. Now let's draw the ski slope. I'm gonna draw a diagonal line that comes from the side of the goggles, and I'm gonna come down to the nose and try to match that same diagonal line coming down on this side too. I'm gonna lower this side to match. The right side's a little bit lower. Okay, now let's add the mountains. I'm gonna draw a zigzag line coming down to there, and also a mountain zigzag line on this side. Then let's also add some clouds. I'm gonna draw a straight line, and then I'll draw a popcorn line on top. And I'm gonna draw that same cloud over here, but maybe a little smaller. And oh, maybe even a really small little cloud here. And one that's behind the mountain over here. Now let's switch to our yellow marker. This is number 35. If you have our same set, I'm gonna draw a circle or part of a circle and color it in. The sun is setting right in the middle of our goggles. I'm also going to switch to an orange marker and color a little bit around it, like this. And then I'm gonna switch back to the blue, and I'm gonna color the sky, but we'll leave the clouds white, and also the mountains. I'm gonna leave those white for now. Next, I'm using 75. This is a purple color, and I'm going to use this to blend in between the blue and the orange. So we can overlap on top and maybe even go all the way up and around the clouds with this. I want to try another purple too, see if we can get another kind of blended effect in between the orange and the blue. Let's try number 83. This is a lot darker. Next, let's use the purple to color in our mountains, but I'm also going to leave some snow on top of the mountains. And then, so I drew another zigzag line going down the mountain and then colored in below that zigzag. Then I'll do the same thing on the left side to match. And the last color, we're going to use 54 green to color in our trees. Now the very last thing we'll add on top of our reflection is a highlight. So we're using our white color pencil. I'm going to draw a diagonal line that comes right through our drawing like this. I'm going to add two diagonal lines right next to each other. And then up at the top, I'm going to press really hard and color in between those two lines. And we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our ski goggles. And they turned out so cool. I especially love the reflection.
Thanks. I also really like how it looks all colored in.
Yeah, and I love that we filled the whole paper. And you can change this drawing any way you want. You can make it look more like a self-portrait, and you could also draw a different reflection in the goggles.
We hope you have a lot of fun drawing ski goggles.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye!